First, you need to go to the Panzoid website and click Create the 3D text animation. Then, choose the style you like best. Then enter your text. Export and download the video. Now switch to the editing program and place the video on the timeline. Now you need to remove the background. Now set to keyframes. And set the scale to 0% for the last one. Now go to the Animation tab and set the fade in duration to 0.3 seconds and fade out for 0.5 seconds. Thanks for watching.